I need you to bring the thunder. Thunder. Thunder.
Soul Thunder.
If you've seen Leroy Jackson as Big John Thunder in Soul Thunder, then get ready. I said get ready. Are you ready? You better be ready. If not, then too late, because I said get ready. Get ready for Soul Thunder 2. More thunder and more lightning. Introducing the Thunder Girls. Big John Thunder is back and he's on the case. This time he takes on the pimpstress.
Stay tuned. Always knew. You do some type of universal mind control, anything's possible. Oh man. Never thought I'd be in this place where I can be able to control the mind of another human being. Feels damn good.
The Thunder Girls are on the scene. It's time for some thunder.
Okay, time for some Soul Thunder.
Meanwhile, on the other side of town,
John, all this new drug out here got all the hoes and the addict turning into mindless slaves. You got to do something about this here.
Don't worry, Riri, cause we gon' bring the thunder. And add some sugar on that.
First, I take over Chicago. Next, the world!
it don't matter if you smoke it, snort it, or shoot it. Man, this stuff is... It's time for some thunder. Meanwhile, on the other side of town,
I'm gonna get you, sucker, you dirty mother.
Shut your mouth.
Man, fuck you, Thunder. Now tell me what's been going down.
y'all better watch out. The Thunder Girls are on the scene. Big John Thunder and the Thunder Girls shut down the pimpstress. The neighborhood, Chicago, and the world is saved. Addicts and hoes everywhere. Beware for Big John Thunder and the Thunder Girls.
Soul Thunder.